welcome to our tutorials for today. Today we're going to be looking at this question in mathematics. It says that given that tan x equals 5/12, what is the value of sine x plus cos x? Now this is a simple question to solve. Now we have here that tan x is 5/12. So the first thing to do is to draw a right angle. Now when we draw this angle, we have that tan is the same thing as tan theta, for example, is the same thing as opposite over, or let's use tan x. Tan x is the same thing as opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So we can equate this to tan x here. Our opposite from the question is 5 and our adjacent is 12. So we can have here as x. So that is the angle given, which is x. So opposite is where the angle is facing, which is given as 5. And then we have 12, which is adjacent. Okay, that's this side. So adjacent here is 90. Adjacent is 12. Now, the next thing is to get this value. Let's call here y. The value of y we must get first. So we apply Pythagoras rule, which is y squared equals to 5 squared plus 12 squared. Squared. So y squared equals 5 squared is the same thing as 25 plus 12 squared is 144. Now when we sum this together, we're going to have 169. So we have 169. And the next thing, we take square root of both sides. If we take square root of both sides, this square will cancel this square root. So we now have y, which is equals square root of 169 is 13. So our shape now is now like this. We now have this place as here. We now have here as 13. This is 13. So we have here as 12. We have here as 5. That's what we have. And don't forget, given that cos this is this, what is the value of sine x? So from here we get sine x. Sine x, don't forget x. Sine x is the same thing as opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore we can say that sine x, let's equate it here. Sine x is going to be opposite here is 5 over the hypotenuse is 13. So sine x is opposite over hypotenuse. Then the next thing is to also get cos x. Cos x is the same thing as adjacent over hypotenuse. In case you forget this, you can use SOHCAHTOA. So this S is for sine, opposite, hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse, T, tangent, opposite, adjacent. So we have cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse, which is the same thing as our adjacent here is this 12. Adjacent is 12. Then hypotenuse is 13. Where the angle is facing is the opposite. So of course the longer side is the hypotenuse. Of course, therefore this side is going to become our adjacent. So and then we now have this, that we should find the value of sine x plus cos x. So sine x plus cos x will be the same thing as sine x here is 5 over 13 plus cos x is 12 over 13. So if you observe, we are going to see that we have the same like fractions here. The fractions are like. So we just choose one of the denominators, which is going to be equal to, we have 5 plus 13. Sorry, 5 plus 12 over, choose one of these denominators. Even if you find the sum of 13 and 13, it's still going to give you 13. So we have 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. 17 over 13. So our value of this is going to be 17 over 13. If you want to express it further, you can have how many 13s are in 17? You give 1, you will have 4 over 13. But better still, you can leave your answer as 17 over 13. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. And don't also forget that understanding will always connect us to the world. Thank you.